We're glad to have you back now. Joining me via Zoom is an equities trader with APT Securities and Funds Limited, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, to talk about the markets this Monday. Mr. Mohammed, the market is starting the week negative 0.04%. We have the likes of Omatech, Nem Insurance, Cornell, MRS, Eternal on the gainers chart. And the losers for today, we have John Holtz, Cordvile, Chams, Wapik, and Academy Press. Tell us, what are the fundamentals surrounding these figures we have today and the performance of the market?
Good afternoon, viewers. It's a pleasure to be here with you on the program. And today, as you rightly said, market closed on the negative territory. And this is expected, though we don't believe that it's going to continue like this because of the fact that some speculators have started taking profit out of what we had last week. In a trading section last week, we gained about 5.22 in a trading section. When you look at total 4 trading sessions that we had last week, market traded 5.37. So market trader gained about 5.37. So this has made some of speculators to come back to the market to come and take profit. And if you look at what the volume analysis of value analysis that happen in the market, you realize that there's much more activity in the market. As like today, market traded about 20 billion worth of stock today. And out of this 20 billion, about 80% of them of this value was traded by Geregu Power, which is about 16.3 billion traded today, followed by Zenith Bank, which traded about 800 million worth, and also Access Bank, which traded about 573 million worth of stock today. So when you look at each of these stocks, you will realize that looking at the gainer and the losers, we have about 26 gainer against 27 losers. So market breadth closed negative. And if you look at this top 5 gainer, you realize that all sector constitutes has about 3 stocks that gain in the day. And this is not unconnected with the subsidy removal that the president has just announced recently. So this particular policy has already favored this oil company in the market. And that is why, if you look at all the oil and gas companies listed in the market, you will realize that it's only Orlando that's on negative trend. And that one has the reason why it's closing that. Looking at it generally, the market closed in the negative, and the issue is not far-fetched from the fact that market is speculators are taking the advantage of the gain that we had last week, and that is why we have what we have today.
So what is your projection if we are to project? What's your outlook for the market as we move on in this week? Do you think that confidence is back as expected?
Yes, I would have said the confidence is back back again. But because of the fact that we are likely going to have a strike that is going to begin next week this week by Wednesday. So if this strike is effective, definitely the activities of those the economic activity will be down, and we expect that it will also affect the market trading, not because of anything, but because of the fact that most of these union organizations may likely picket some organization, and which stock exchange and capital market may also be affected. So, but looking at this week, if the strike is not effective, the trend that the market is expected to track, we believe that the market should be on the positive territory. But because of that strike, we believe that may affect the market a bit, but that will be a short issue that we believe that after that incident, the market will return on the positive trend. As we speak, the market year-to-date return in the market is around 8%. And this is what we expect that the market will close higher in this week. And we are expecting that between now and the end of second half and first half of the year, the markets will close at least around 10%. So going into the full year, we believe markets will also close higher than that. So as I have said that, we believe that the sentiment, the positive sentiment has returned, and it may likely continue. But this issue of strike, if it can be handled effectively, we believe that the market should continue to grow the way it has started.
I must thank you so much, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. Do enjoy the rest of your day and have a profitable week.
Thank you.